Hi guys, so welcome back to the next video. So now I'll be solving this question number 6. But before I go into question number 6, I'll just show you guys the YouTube channel because this is something we are starting new. So on the YouTube channel, so if you go to our channel, all the videos that we have been making, we have uploaded those onto here so that you can watch them in one place. So everyone is free to come and post videos here, contribute videos if you want. And if you go to the playlist, we have created a playlist, and here I've created a term one CM and term playlist. So here I'll be uploading all the CM videos that I make, or Shagun makes, or Mihir makes, anyone, or David makes. So all these videos will be here in term one CM and term, because these are all the portions that will be taken by Taral sir. So, and that's just something I wanted to address before we go into the sixth question. Okay, so now let's jump into the next question. Okay, right. So let's get started with question number 6 now. This question is very simple, like compared to the seventh question. This is really quite simple. So I don't think you'll have much of a problem doing this. Okay, so the company makes picnic tables, and uh, company South Eastern plant has changed from a labor intensive. So I'll just 1 second. I'll just move this part. Yeah, so it's changed from a labor intensive operation to a robotic system. As a result, the management is considering changing from direct labor overhead to activity based cost. Okay, so what is given to us? So it says that purchase order, this is the overhead cost which is given to us. Cost driver is given to us. Annual cost drivers are also given to us. Okay, now it says compute the um cost driver rate for each activity. So let's quickly get started with the cost driver rates. Okay, so firstly I'll copy the costs. Okay, and you can copy this also, make it bold. Now total cost drivers, cost driver rate. So again, I am doing this on the Google. I'm sorry, I downloaded it from the Google Sheet, but I'm using Excel. But on the Google Sheet, also the formulas and everything will stay the same. So what I'm taking overhead cost. This is the total cost that I have to allocate. I'll just make this shorter so that it's easier to see. Okay, so purchase cost I've taken. Cost drivers are given over here. So uh, 10,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. Yeah, 10,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. Okay, and I always prefer using this accounting button so that whenever it comes to any cost. So anyways, so let's do this equal to cost driver. So total cost divided by cost driver will give you the cost driver rate. So it's 25, 8, and 25, right? Sorry, I jumped the case. Yeah. So this is my first part done. Compute the cost driver rate. Cost driver rate is what? Total overhead cost divided by the number of cost drivers. So first part is done. What is the next part asking? A large order of 10 large picnic tables has been requested. Number of purchase orders is 5, 25 this one, and how much overhead would be assigned to this order? So logically think, like, I've been given the number of purchase order and I've calculated the cost driver rate for each purchase order. So what would I do for this one? So uh, case B. So this was case number 1. Case number 2, cost of large picnic tables. Again, these are all other costs are not given to us. So it's just the purchase order and setup cost. And the material cost is not given. So it's we have to take this one only. So I would suggest for presentation purpose, you can just take this entire thing. So units and then cost driver rate, because you don't have so much time to do the formatting and everything um, during the exam, right? So units, cost driver rate, make it center aligned. This is the total cost. Cost driver rate is this much. So copy, paste values, then just multiply this into this, down, sum. So this is my cost for one picnic table. Sorry, the cost for 10 picnic tables. Okay, how much overhead would be assigned to this order? So because it's the question is asking how much overhead would be assigned, that's why it came to this much. In case the question had mentioned the direct material, direct labor, in this case, I would have included that also. Okay. But so the answer is also matching with whatever sir has given to us. It's just the presentation, you have to kind of figure it out in the exam and do this. So this was a very simple question, and I hope everyone was able to follow, and probably an easy kind of a question that might come. Right. Case number 5 I have already covered earlier in a, like when it was given to us in class. I've covered this question earlier, fluoride limited. So in the same playlist, the next video will be case number 5, and next video that I'll be making now will be case number 4. Okay. So again, thank you so much for watching, and hope you're liking these videos, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the next video. Thank you.